In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Search Console to On Page SEO Checker in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. On your main dashboard under SEO Projects, click on your project, for example, semrush.com. You will be redirected to your project board. Scroll down until you find the On Page SEO Checker and then click on it. Inside the On-Page SEO Checker, you will see an option to connect Google services. Click on the Connect button for Google Search Console. When the pop-up appears, simply click Continue and wait for the process to complete. If the connection seems stuck, just refresh your browser and you will now see that your Google Search Console is successfully connected. And that's how to connect Google Search Console to On-Page SEO Checker in Semrush.